Hey guys, it's your boy Sushi here, and today we are going to be doing another unboxing video. Now, this is unusual to the content I usually do, but I just seem to want to try this out, see if you guys like it or not. So, today we're going to be opening up a fossil sport, yeah? That is, got it for my birthday. And as some of you may know, I'm not the best at opening stuff like this, so I've already opened up the perforations there, so I wouldn't have to make myself look stupid in front of the camera, as you can see. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so we're just gonna open this up, and it looks like we have got a Fossil document. Thank you from Fossil. So that's got to be some like warranty and stuff. But here is the main deal. My god, look at that. That is pretty amazing. So let's just open this up here. Take it out of the box. So throw the box down here. And let's have a look at this. Now, I'm just going to open this just a second. Alright, so I've got this open now, so hopefully let's try and get this part open. Okay, so this opens like this. And, well, what we have here... I'm recording on my Pixel 2, by the way, if you guys can't see that. So we've got the power pack that says plug into a USB port on the computer or low energy device. So it's actually a USB charging. So just have a look at that. Got USB plugged into one of these little bad boys. As you can see, it's kind of a little magnetic. You can kind of see that from there. Alright, and anything on the other side? No. So let's just undo the watch. And yeah, so I've got the Fossil Sport here. As you can see, it's got a little sticker. Let's remove that. And you can kind of just see the reflection. Look at that. Absolute beauty. Oh, and I didn't realize there is a thing about it on how to do it, which I probably won't go through depending on how much time I have, but I probably might go through this. So this is the setup instructions here. Got something about heart rate tracking, and of course the warranty information. I'll open this up later. Right, so, and on the back, obviously we've got the sticker on the back for the sensor, heart rate sensor, and so on. For that. All right, so I will get back to you guys once I have done this a bit more. Okay, so I've plugged the watch into my computer, as you can kind of see, and at the moment we've got the typical Google startup. Yeah, and you can kind of see that. Let me just do it there. As you can see, it has a AMOLED screen or OLED screen, if you want. So the black pixels you see here are actually, instead of turning on black pixels, it just leaves it turned off, which actually saves a lot of battery. So while we wait for that to happen, I'll get back with you once that happens. Oh wait, as you can see, it says Wear OS by Google. So obviously this has been running. So let's tap to begin here. And we're going to pick the language now, which I will just find for English United Kingdom. Okay, so it says I agree to the terms of use. Yeah, we're just gonna agree to that, obviously. Now I need to go onto my phone and then go onto this. Okay, alright, let me just do that in a second. Alright, so I obviously already have this on my phone. The Wear OS app. Let's go here. And let's go to add new watch. Okay, as you can see, the Fossil Sport is kind of on there, if you can see this. Yeah, it says... It's not focusing very well, but it should be there, yeah. Fossil Sport 1149, as it says that. And now my phone is connecting to that, so let me just wait for that in a second. And we've got pairing codes here, 92386 and stuff. We're gonna allow that, and we're connected. So I'm actually connected to the watch now. Now it's going to get my watch details and stuff, so I can do stuff to it.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, we're all set now. All I have to do is click the done button on my phone, which is there. Alright, so now I do have a Fossil Sport connected to my phone, which is pretty sick, you know. Alright, so on here we've got everything. Just click this. Got welcome to Wear OS, learn more. You've got swipe in each direction. You've got swipe from left, swiping up, swiping down. Press button for apps. Let's to go back again. Change watch faces to touch and hold. All of those ones as well. Let's go back to here. And it says enjoy your watch. So at the moment my watch is on 76%. It's all connected to Wi-Fi and everything. And yeah, so that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for around a week. And I'm going to give you a first impression / review on it. So that'll be it for now. I'll see you in around a week.